Hi, this is Digital Embrace. I'm going to show you how to use the new Annotation Tool. Annotations can be added to the puzzles in the Puzzle Maker or to designs in the labs. I'm going to demonstrate how to add an annotation in a lab, but it functions the same in the Puzzle Maker. So the way that we add a label is first we go down here into the annotation mode. Highlight the bases that we want to add a label to. This comes up, click Create. Give it a name, and save. I'm going to add another one over here on the L1 stock, and I can just paint a little bit of it and the whole thing lights up. Create. I gotta move my puzzle up so I can finish it there. Save. And at this point I like to get out of annotation mode because it's easier to see, so you either got to click on the swap tool or one of the bases will get you out of it. Now, I like the position of this one here fine, but where's my L1 stock label? It's all the way up here, still can't see it. Got to zoom in some more. There it is. I'm going to move that. So when you hover over it, you see how it highlights. It's very nice. Click on it. Where'd it go? It moved on me again. Well, I have to zoom in some more, I guess. Now it's going to let me click on the move, and I'm going to put it down here, and then save. And then I'll show that it's the L1 stock. Zoom back out. If you zoom back out quite a bit, you'll see these actually become just these little notes. Now you can also click on this, hit edit, and you can change the bases or the name, or you can delete it here also. The base numbers here are different than in the puzzle because I'm working in a sub-puzzle. But if you see these, hover over the name and it'll show you the bases. Now the other part of this is the annotation panel. And you can hide all the annotations at once. So if you're in a puzzle and it's bothering you, you can't see something, you can turn them off here. Or you can turn off each one individually. You can change a name by clicking on it. And you can change the name there. And cancel that. Or you can click on the line and it gives you this option here to go into editing mode. Or the same as in the puzzle. Or you can click on the line here and just put it in the trash, delete it right there. And then the other, so this is an import and export annotations. I don't foresee needing to use those personally. And then this folder here allows you to add layers. I'm not going to demonstrate that because most of us won't use it, but it might be useful like in Puzzle Maker. Basically, you add layers and then you add the annotations to each layer, and then they will behave like a group would behave. And then they click here to get out of it. If you have any questions about this, please post it in the forum or in Discord, and Jonathan or I will answer it.